What's up, YouTube land? I figured I'd throw a quick update for the day after Christmas on the truck. It's been a while since I put anything up on it. Been messing with this Civic for a little while now because that's kind of the daily. She's a whole lot cheaper on gas than this old girl, but been doing a few things to it here and there. Unfortunately, about this time last year, my wife had hit a deer in the truck coming home in it one day and kind of destroyed the front end a little bit, so I had to change a few things up there and put a new grill in, new headlights, and I'm waiting on getting the new front lower valence in soon, hopefully. We'll see what happens. But that right there, that's the new grill that I put in and the new headlights I went with. It was hard to find projectors that I really like because I don't normally like them because they come with really crappy bulbs, but these already had the HID swap in, which I would rather the LED probably, but I went with these anyway. They had to have some modifications made to the core support for them to sit in there correctly. They're still not as nice as I would like. My other set of headlights was way better, but it is what it is. I've replaced the fender, which she destroyed. It has to be painted, and I've got to get a windshield, unfortunately. But I took all the side effects off so I could get in there and paint and weld that panel in, do all the body work for that. Still got to take the rear pieces off, but got the new tailgate on finally. Got to sand it down, shave it. I finally wound up relocating the batteries back in the bed. Finally took a little while to get that done, and there's a few small things that I've done inside little by little. She's coming along, but yeah, I got a new wheel and put it in and wired up some monitoring devices for battery charging, just to see, to have different points where everything's being put out. She's a little dirty right now, don't hate. But this is so I could, that's directly at the batteries in the bed. And then I've got that down there, which everybody knows who knows anything about audio. Those are junk, but I had it, so I just threw it in here for fun. But yeah, that's basically where we're at. I've got some tuning to do because she's still a little pig rich, which is she's still cold too. As soon as she warms up, she'll get where she's supposed to be, but she's still a little rich when she's warm too. So there's still a lot to do. I put some tweeters in. I'm thinking about doing a whole nother audio setup in the back here, but who knows? I got to get some seats and I got to clean it. Yeah, she's been being used for hauling stuff here lately, and that's just about it. So as soon as some other things start going together, I might throw some videos up. Got a whole lot going on in life right now, so I'm dealing with all kinds of stuff right now, and this is kind of taking a back seat for the moment. But yeah, you can hear that pretty exhaust leak I got right there close to the collector. I've got to zip that up, but other than that, yeah. Oh, I did put a new steering pump in it. It's $500 from Summit. It was well worth it. She's steering like a champ now. This thing handles about like a Camaro again. I put energy suspension sway bar bushings under it a couple months ago. Like I said, I've been doing a little bit here and there and trying to get it together. It's just taking a while. Plus, like I said, I got this Civic I'm dealing with too. So, but that's where we're at. So that's an update for now, and we'll be back soon with some good videos.